Hi, Captain Ed, Offshore Yacht Sales. Let's take a look at this 1997 45-foot Sea Ray 450 Sundancer. We've been involved with many of these over the years, and this is one of the best we've seen. Contemporary styling in 1997, still classy and stylish today. This is a super clean example of the 450 Sundancer. Let's go take a closer look. Extended swim platform with carpeting. You can see the shine on this gel coat. This boat is professionally cleaned and maintained, and it shows it. Stainless steel bow rail, nice walkthrough. Pulpit with windlass. Recent canvas updates show like new. Easy access onto the swim platform with the transom ledge. You'll notice the granite countertops throughout the cockpit, and all the cockpit upholstery shows as brand new. Double wide companion seat and a captain's helm chair. All new updated electronics and new dash panels, including autopilot by Ray Marine. Bow thruster, of course. Moving forward through the boat, past the wet bar on the port side, into the cabin area. Light, bright, open and airy. We'll move all the way forward to the master stateroom. Centerline queen berth, hanging lockers, even a little makeup vanity. Easy access to the head from the master and the companionway, complete with stall shower and vacuum flush. Starboard side has a full-length settee and dinette table. As we move back into the mid-cabin stateroom that's made up now as a lounge area, easily converts to a queen berth with TV, has its own head with shower, and the pocket doors close it off for truly a private second stateroom. The galley has been completely remodeled with stainless steel under-counter refrigerator and freezer. Powered by a low-hour pair of 420 Caterpillar diesels, spotless engine room. Generator has been upgraded, replaced with a new oversized unit. You got to admit, this is one pretty looking Sea Ray. Satellite TV, of course. Don't let this one sail away from you. This is the 45 Sea Ray to own. Be sure to visit our website for the full specs on this super clean Sea Ray. www.offshoreyachtSales.com. I'm Captain Ed. Thanks for watching.